Alright. Is this your whole... Okay, first off, I need to know your team number.
7802.
7802. Alright. So is your robot here with all of its mechanisms? Is this your entire robot?
Yep.
Nothing going to be added during the competition?
No.
Alright. Okay, so sizing box. Is this the configuration that you're going to start the matches in?
Yes.
Alright. Good. Sort of pushing there a little bit. Can you hold the weight, excuse me, for you? Alright, I'll say you're good. He was just almost rubbing on this backside here.
Yep.
Alright, so. Alright, you have robot motion warning labels with every servo. How many I'll go ahead and tag that one. How many servos do you have on this robot?
I have about, what, 3 or 4, I think.
Alright, sweet. 3 or 4? Not close to the 12.
No.
Alright. And they're all clearly labeled. Robot moves on initialization. Alright. Robot weighs no... Well, that's an outdated rule. That one's the weight limit. Robot does not contain any components that would damage the playing field or robots. You don't have any knives, daggers, or flamethrowers.
Flamethrowers.
Robot does not contain materials that are hazardous, lead, fingertips, anything like that.
Nope.
I don't know how a fingertip could be hazardous, but you know, maybe it just
Helps them, yeah.
Alright, robot poses no obvious unnecessary risk of entanglement. I mean, there are no other robots on the field, just make sure that that maybe is a little bit more secured inside your robot.
Alright.
This one's good. Yeah, you're good. Alright, robot does not contain any oil-based liquid, gel, or liquid or gel materials. You don't have
Nope.
any sort of
No whale fat.
whale blubber lubricants. Robot does not contain, well, I just asked that question. Your sharp edges and corners, I think I'll give you a pass on that.
Once they're exposed, they're fine.
Yeah, the ones that are exposed are fine, and anything that could just jam up against somebody's ankle. Robot does not contain materials that would cause a delay of game if released.
Nope. No
Hand
poison
grenades
gas.
or explosives. Robot does not, I feel like that would get into hazardous components. Robot does not contain elements that will electrically ground the robot to the field.
No.
Nothing at all. Sweet. Robot does not contain any closed gas devices. There's no pneumatics on this. It's
No
all
mustard gas, you're fine. You good.
Okay. No hydraulic devices. I think pretty much everything on this guy is servo powered or otherwise, right?
Yep.
Alliance markers are present and meet the requirements. Yeah. They're there. They're 180 degrees apart. T number is visible from at least 2 sides. Yep. Energy used by the robot. Where is your battery located?
Right here.
Alright, can I see a battery? And these are the batteries you use during a match?
Yep.
Alright, yeah, go ahead and load that in there. Alright, you're clear of being outside the robot, so that's good. You don't have to play that.
Alright.
Robot is not capable of launching any robot parts. I mean,
No.
obviously it can launch rings, but
Not on purpose.
not on purpose. Alright. All of these are off-the-shelf materials, raw materials. There's nothing that's,
Yeah.
this was
Custom
off the
made.
shelf, custom made. Okay. Looks like everything else, this whole assembly was custom made, right? Alright, where's your main power switch?
Right here.
Sweet.
Got a little label on it too.
Batteries are securely attached. Exactly one main battery pack. This is your only main battery, right?
Yeah, I know.
All right. Do you have any extra fuses installed other than the ones
Yeah.
on the battery?
I don't know what reason you would need them for, so no.
Okay. Our electronic devices are powered by the ports in the core power distribution module, the row expansion hub. So you don't have anything between. No, both of these guys are powered by your battery.
Yeah.
Right.
I forgot about the core. That's crazy.
Powered by the robot main battery. Just answer that question. RevSpark mini motor controllers are powered. Do you have any RevSpark mini motor controllers?
No.
Alright. Turn the page. Alright, your sensors only receive power from the core, only receive power from your hubs?
Yep.
Alright. Light sources, do you have any light sources?
Nope.
Video recording devices, do you have any cameras?
You got the camera right here.
Alright, they're powered by your main internal battery, not an
Yep.
external? Alright, good. The robot controller is powered by its internal battery or built-in charging feature?
Yep.
Okay. Exactly one core, if any of our robotics is not applicable. No more than 2 row expansion hubs.
Yeah, we're good.
And on the robot, you're good. No more than 2 core device interface modules, you don't have one. Robot contains no more than 8 DC motors. How many motors do you have? Don't count them.
Exactly.
You have 8. Robot contains no more than 12 servos, you have 4. Robot contains only allowed sensors and they are connected only to the rev. You only have allowed sensors, right?
Yeah, color sensor, distance sensors.
Alright. Power and motor wires, they seem to have a consistent color code. Those all line up. You don't have anything mounted backwards to get reversed motors.
Yeah, probably
Right.
confuses more than you.
Alright. Wires of the correct size, they seem to be. If electronics are grounded back to the robot frame, are your electronics grounded to the robot frame?
No. You can see.
Alright. Approved electrical devices may be modified. Have you modified the hubs or sensors in it?
No, that's good.
Okay. Robot does not damage the field while you're driving, right?
Nope, just
Drivetrain?
be smooth back on the wheels.
Alright. Team scoring element, not applicable this season. Maximum size, also not applicable. Team scoring element, not applicable. Alright, thank you very much. I'm gonna sign this,
Thank you.
and then you're gonna sign that. There.